In this video, we are looking at signs and symptoms of catfish diseases. Catfish can be attacked by numbers of organisms causing diseases, which include viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. This organism causes a lot of problems and damage by attacking different parts of the fishes, which ranges from the fin, tails, skin, internal organs, head, and eventually leading to death. Why are we looking at this very aspect of catfish farming? Most farmers do not even know when to start treating their fish. They don't even know this very sign of when the fish is healthy or when they are sick. So with this very short teaching now, you will be able to understand when this kind of issue starts in your farm. But if this is your first time of coming across our channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Also follow us in our Facebook pages and share with others. What are the signs of these diseases and symptoms? 1. Loss of appetite. This is when the fish find it difficult to eat very well. You will notice this that when you throw your feed into the pond, you will just notice that the fishes are not picking it the way they're supposed to pick it. They will just pick you and just walk away or swim away. So when they don't eat very well, it then means there is a problem in your farm. Number 2, difficulty in breathing. This is when the fish find it difficult to breathe. You will notice that many of these fish will raise up their head above a little bit above the water. That is, their mouth will be a little bit above the water, gasping for breath. This is a sign that there is something wrong in that very water. So, or with the fish. So you have to quickly take action so that you don't start losing your fish. Number 3, loss of weight. This is when the fish cannot gain the required weight for a particular period of time. When your fish would have been more than 500 gram or 1 kg, they are all weighing maybe 200, 300. So it then means that there is something wrong with the fish. Because if they cannot eat very well, how would they put on good weight? So you have to quickly do something about that particular issues. Number 4, organ damage. Some of the organs of the fish can be damaged as a result of attack by this disease causing organism. Because when things like the lungs and the gill is attacked by this organism, you don't expect the fish to be very comfortable. They will find it very difficult to breathe. So this disease can cause a lot of damage to the organs of the fish. And the fifth one we are looking at now, which is going to be the last one for this very video, is lesion and ulcer in the skin and fins. Lesion is a region in an organ or tissue which has suffered damage, through the disease or the injury caused by the disease. So this very area, you will notice some changes around the skin or around the fin of the fish. So with this very one, you'll be able to tell that this very fish is not normal. In your pond, always ensure you observe what is happening inside your pond. Don't just go to your pond, feed, immediately you feed, you just walk away. No, spend some time to observe what is happening in your pond. This is part of what we call management management level, whereby you take every account of your farm to ensure that nothing goes wrong. When things are going wrong, you'll be able to carry out a proper measure to prevent loss